In this video, I'll show you how to change the style of a song in Suno AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Suno AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the song you want to modify from your library. Next, look for the remix option and open it. This feature lets you create a new version of your song while changing its musical style. Now, edit the style of music field. Describe the new style you want, such as pop, rock, jazz, country, electronic, or cinematic. You can also include details about the mood, instruments, tempo, and vocals to get more accurate results. After that, click Create and wait while Suno AI generates a new version of your song using the updated style. Listen to the result, and if needed, adjust the style description and generate another version until you're satisfied. Finally, once you've found the version you like best, save or download the song to your device and continue editing or sharing it if you wish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the style of a song in Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.